Problem 33 states, given the following code segment, select the correct output. So we have a function where we have a forward list, which is the C++ standard template library container for a singly linked list, and it is templated to a standard pair where the pair is an int and a double. It's called by reference, and we also pass by value an int value. We say if int value is equal to 0, we return. Then we say standard pair, we create a temporary standard pair. We say temp first is equal to the value, and if value mod 2 is equal to 0, we set the double of temp second equal to 2 to that value. Otherwise, we set that power to 0.5 of that value. Then we push to the front of the singly linked list, and then we recursively call with value -1. In main, we create that forward list. We set value is equal to 4. Then we recursively call the initial call that we're going to recursively call for func1. And then we say standard pair, current pair. So we're using a smart iterator from result list. So we're iterating through the forward list, and then we're going to print out the first and print out the second. So some important things to bear in mind as you approach this problem. Forward list must use push front. So therefore, when we recursively call, make sure that you're putting the element at the front of a singly linked list. So we start out with 4. And so we were going to say here that it's 4, therefore second is going to be 2 to the 4, which is 16. So we're going to say initially 4 and 16, and we're going to recursively call here. So it's going to be 3. So 3 mod 2 is not going to be equal to 0. So otherwise we do 1/2 to the third. So it's going to be 2 to the third, which is 8, divided by, 1 over 2 to the 8. So it's going to be 0 to the 1/8, which is going to be 0.125. Then we recursively call, and it's going to be 2. So this time it's going to be 2 to the 2, which is 4. And then we're going to do 1, which is going to be 1 over 2 to the 1, which is going to be 1/2, which is actually 0.5. And then we hit 0, and we don't do anything. So this is the final set of pairs that we're going to print out. And we print out with a standard end line, so it's going to be 1, 0.5, 2, 4, 3, 0.125, 4, 16. So we see that we have it in a reverse for A, so we know that that's wrong. So this makes sure that you understand how forward list works. B is the correct answer. C is if you just use power for all of them, and D is if you use 0.5 or 1 over 2 for all of them. The correct answer is B.